Cat Casino scam. Watch these free spins. Each one of them is going to land on this same pattern every time. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Even if I stop it myself early or try, it still ends on horse, 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 prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. No matter what. Even got the two shields above the second horse. Even got the two shields there. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. How dumb do they really think we are? So if they will scam a person like this, definitely know that these games are completely rigged on Regal Reels. This is Cool Cat Casino. Definitely know that these games are completely rigged. I mean, it's even as far as the patterns surrounding are the same each time. Spin 23, number 24, number 25. I mean, come on now. Are you serious? Who does that? And it's supposed to be 25 free spins. It done went on up to 28. I mean, this is ridiculous. Anyway, I just had to show y'all that. These online casinos are terrible. It's sad. Anyway, I've had enough of this fake. Do not play with Cool Cat Casino. And once again, thank you for choosing Supreme Slot Skills. We let you know what's going on so you don't have to waste your time. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Horse, horse, prince, horse, cup. Get the fuck out of here. This is ridiculous. I'm done.